Good morning, Mr. Thomas. We've been assessing your mother, Mrs. Eleanor, and considering strategies to help her maintain independence at home. She's expressed some difficulty with tasks like preparing meals and dressing, particularly since her recent fall. We're looking at a few options, including adaptive equipment for the kitchen, perhaps a perching stool, and some long-handled utensils. For dressing, we might suggest button hooks and sockets.
That all sounds helpful. She has mentioned struggling a bit more in the kitchen lately, and getting dressed seems to take her a long time. She's always been very self-sufficient, so Mihira, this is quite frustrating for her. She's also become a little unsteady on her feet, even indoors, which is why the fall was so concerning.
Yes, the reduced balance can certainly impact confidence with everyday activities. While the adaptive equipment aims to make specific tasks easier, we also need to address the underlying issue contributing to her difficulties. The reduced range of movement in her shoulders and hips, likely a consequence of some mild arthritis and deconditioning following a period of reduced activity after the fall, makes reaching for items in the kitchen and maneuvering during dressing quite challenging. The equipment will compensate for some of this, but improving her physical capacity is also key for long-term independence.
So, the equipment is more of a short-term aid while we work on improving her strength and movement?
Precisely. The adaptive aids provide immediate support, allowing her to participate more safely and independently now, while a tailored exercise program focusing on strengthening key muscle groups and improving her range of motion will address the root causes, making these tasks difficult.
Mihira, it is completely natural to feel concerned when your child resists using the toilet at nursery, but please be reassured that this is a very common phase in early development. Many children feel a sense of hesitation when transitioning their bathroom routine to a new environment. It is often simply a matter of building trust and familiarity with her teachers and the new surroundings. As she becomes more comfortable and forms stronger bonds with her caregivers, she will naturally grow out of this phase and find her rhythm. In the meantime, ensuring she stays well hydrated is vital for her comfort and health. If she is reluctant to drink plain water, you can creatively boost her fluid intake through her diet. Offering hydrating fruits like watermelon or cucumber slices can be very effective. Mihira, many parents also find success with homemade fruit juice ice blocks or watery yogurt, which feel like a treat while providing necessary hydration. By keeping her fluids up at home in these fun ways, you support her well-being while she navigates this temporary adjustment at nursery. You are doing a wonderful job supporting her through this transition.